First, introduction. So when you will send your first email to one of your clients, what you should do, you should send them a nice email where you will tell them, hello, I know that you are really busy. I'm just going to introduce myself. That's what I do. That's what I work for. So just give them a couple of info, attach your CV, and just wait. See what happens. If they will answer you back saying, oh, thank you for your email. At the moment, we don't need anyone. You will just send an email back and say, okay, it's all fine. I'm going to try to contact you in the next couple of months. If they say, oh, can you come to the company and have a chat with us? You organize a meeting, go there, be nice, make sure that they're happy at the end of the meeting, and just say, look, I'm going to send you my dates. The day after, you're going to send them all your dates that you are free. So you can start to have that kind of relationship with them and tell, look, I am free to do these jobs. I'm free these dates, so give me work. Keep the client update. One of my suggestions is just create a group email with all your clients. So you can do different kind of groups, maybe the client that you like, or maybe the client that you maybe dislike, or the client that you want to work more, or the client that you want to work less. It's up to you. But just remember to have everyone in BCC. It means blind carbon copy. That means that when you send a message, this means when you send an email to all the clients, they will not see the other emails. They will just see your name and the email. Send an email every 2 weeks with your availability. Don't worry, they will not tell you, oh, why are these guys sending me always this email? They will know. They will know. People are so busy nowadays, and especially in our business, they don't have got time to look at the schedule and see who is free or who is not. So make sure that you remind them and say, look, I'm here. All right, I know that you are busy. I hope that you are good, but this is my dates. That's where I am free. Give me work. Send them an email if you gain any new skill, if you do any new training. Just make sure that they know that you are learning new stuff. Make sure that they know that you are keep yourself busy learning new skills. That's important. People want to see, company want to see people with good knowledge, that they like to do stuff, they like to learn new stuff.